I belong to the customer team in Unibet, so basically our team deals with the customer's login and registration details. So basically when a customer comes in and plays, or rather registers and logs in within our site, it's our responsibility to deal with all the business functionality that happens in the backend from the time he or she comes and registers and logs in and plays.
My team, we do a lot of the sites around the Unibet main website. So we'll do marketing websites, maybe short things for a specific cup or for a specific championship, designed to attract new players and provide an extra experience for the players that we already have.
Our team's function is to work on the development on our technical platform, everything from the data center up to the code. The team has 4 different focus groups, and that's application, database, network, and infrastructure.
A typical day at work starts with a Kanban meeting in the morning, where all the team members gather around the Kanban board, and then we talk about what we would be working on the day, and if we see any obstacles in working on the assignments that we have assigned to us. The developers in our team are Java experts and Java and Scala experts, because they are the 2 programming languages that we work with. And we also work with a lot of 2 databases such as Oracle and MySQL. So we're involved with querying the database and performing a lot of database activities as well. So our servers are deployed on Red Hat with Glassfish running on it. We have Pipeline and Hudson for our daily builds because we believe in continuous integration.
Well, we do a lot of work that's facing the customers and facing the end user. And sometimes what comes through the pipe from one end of the spectrum doesn't work well with the other end of the spectrum. So you're always trying to do right by all these different people. And that can become really tricky.
I can assure you that there's never a boring day within this relatively young industry, and our profile reflects that. Things are constantly moving, and the landscape we're working in are changing rapidly. As we run a pure online business, we can measure everything that we do, and that also helps us to measure and compare ourselves against our competitors. We also try to run the company as an as flat organization as absolutely possible, because that enables us to be flexible and thereby adaptable to change as well, which is fundamental for us in the fast-moving landscape. It's also important to emphasize that by working hard and delivering outstanding results, the sky is the limit for any employee within Unibet.
I think Unibet is a really good place to work at, and it's really good for people from all nationalities. I'm myself not Swedish, and I think it's excellent here. People are really friendly, and you can go up and talk to anyone without hesitating.
You can hit up anybody in the company, and I mean anybody. Like, you'll be getting some coffee next to the CEO, and you'll talk a little bit about something that you worked on a few weeks back, and then you just bounce off an idea or two, and then maybe a few weeks later you'll have somebody else come by your desk and say, oh, about that idea, I heard about that, and let's make something happen.
We feel that we are empowered to make a difference, and we are a part of the success for the company.
Even if we work very hard to deliver exceptional numbers, it's in our DNA to celebrate success. We achieve this success by having a shared vision and employees who genuinely care about what they do and know how they contribute to the greater business success. It's a great time to join Unibet, and I can assure you that there will be many more interesting things happening in the gaming industry in the near future.